Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change app icons with shortcuts on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Locate and open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If it is not installed, download it from the App Store. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Select Add Action and search for the Open App action. Tap Open App to add it to your shortcut. Tap the word app in the Open App action box. A list of your installed apps will appear. Select the app for which you want to change the icon. Tap the share icon, a square with an upward arrow at the bottom of the screen. Select Add to Home Screen. On the next screen, tap the app icon preview next to the shortcut name. Choose a new image for your app icon. Tap Choose Photo to pick an image from your photos library. Alternatively, you can select Take Photo to capture a new image. Adjust the image as needed and tap Choose. Enter the app's name or any custom name you'd like under the name field. That is everything you need to know about how to change app icons with shortcuts on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.